Hey, I'm Zach, and this is Anu. She's a genuine good girl, mixed with a little stinker, in case you were wondering. So I've been doing an R&D project with Faint, and after a season of testing, I'm going to give you a little review of it.
The product is a dual caliper bracket for E46s to be used with a standalone hydraulic handbrake. It's made to work with strange two-piston calipers. They are meant for skinny drag race rotors, so I made this bridge so they fit stock 330 rotors. It also joins the calipers together for added strength and possibly cooling. In back we have the mounting bracket. It mounts both calipers to the stock caliper flange. This means there's no welding required, and no need to remove the factory handbrake mechanism or speed sensors. For brake lines, the calipers use 3 AN fittings. Most hydraulic handbrake line kits use this size, so they will fit no problem. For the foot brake, you'll need to convert from the stock fittings. I used Rally Road stainless steel brake lines that have 3 AN fittings already. So right now you're thinking, that's pretty sick, but how do they perform? Great. I didn't really notice any difference in the feel of the foot brake, and that's a good thing. I didn't want the front to rear brake bias all screwed up. The handbrake locked up nicely, and I didn't notice any brake fade when the pads got hot. The pads also didn't wear very much. Now, for what I'm going to change. Not much. I used black nitride coated hardware, and obviously that doesn't hold up well. I'll be switching to zinc flake coated hardware next.
If you want more info about the dual caliper bracket, leave a comment. And if you want to put a kit on your car, please contact us. We need at least 20 pre-orders to get this into production, so join the list. We have a lot more to bring you, but we need your help. So leave a like and share with someone who might need a dual caliper setup on their E46. Thanks, and have a good one.